Hello, fellow developers. Today we're going to go over the CI Feedback Tool. This tool is run by running the command /checks, and that will invoke it. Now, it is also run by default, so if you want to turn it off, you can go into your configuration and actually set this to false. I have that done for right now so that we can run it manually. Here's the actual checks too. I recommend we go to this help page and you can review everything about the CI feedback tool. Now let's go ahead and dive in. So I have my failure in GitHub, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and up in the URL I can simply grab the URL here, and that is what I need to pass to the checks. So I can come back in my comment, type in checks, and paste that in. That follows the pattern. Now we'll wait and we'll see eyeballs coming in. And that's the feedback. So it's telling me that the trigger, it actually failed, that the test expected a null value but received an empty value instead. So this was a home run I did just for an example's sake, but we could go ahead and actually fix the code. You can also go to where it was failing, the build failed, and see that information and look at the stage too. But it gave me enough that I could actually go and fix the actual code. Thank you, and happy coding with Qodo.